I use both Mac and Windows every single day to develop on. Which one do I think is the best? That's a pretty big toss-up, Mac. I've been coding for a good few years now, and like I said, I use both Windows and Mac on a daily basis. And honestly, in my personal opinion, I think that Mac, since it's Unix-based, it's just way better for me and easier to use. I mean, the package management using brew is so much easier. For me, it's just a way better user experience, in my opinion, and I love using Zish, I love using NeoVim. So for me, setting up my experience within my Mac is just way better. It's very simple, easy to get going. I will, however, say in a Windows environment, whenever I'm writing C or C++ stuff, it is easier to write in Visual Studio in a Windows environment. It's just, for me, it is a little bit more convenient than writing in Mac. But aside from like C or like low-level stuff, Mac for me has always been my go-to and the easiest environment to use. Now, that's not to say that you can't use Visual Studio Code like on Mac. You know, obviously they have the products for both Windows and Mac. But for me, I just think the low-level stuff is just way easier to compile and run on Windows environments. I'm curious, what do you guys think? Are you guys Team Mac or Team Windows? I have a feeling that most people, or a lot of people, are going to be Mac. Just from my experience, that's what I've seen. Usually Windows stuff is like you're forced upon working in a Windows environment, or maybe game development and stuff like that. But I'm curious, are you guys Mac or Windows?